How to clone your voice using Elevenlabs. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can clone your voice using Elevenlabs. And this is how to go about it. The first step is for you to sign up or to log into your Elevenlabs account, just like I've done here. And once you've done that, I have brought to the home page. You can see the text box where you can turn your speech into a live-like speech. And the next step is for you to move to the left side of the screen where you can see a menu displaying options like text to speech, voice changer, voices, sound effects, projects, voiceover studio, etc. Then click on your account name and the workspace option. Then by doing that, in the drop-down menu that appears, you'll see options like upgrade, profile, etc. So click on the upgrade option. This is because for you to be able to clone your voice in Elevenlabs, you have to be on at least the starter plan on Elevenlabs. So there are different kind of plans. You can see the free version, you can see the starter plan, you can see the creator plan, and then you can see the pro plan. So like I said, in order for you to be able to clone your voice, you have to be at least on the starter plan. So click on subscribe and then subscribe to the starter plan. Once you've upgraded successfully, go back to the left side of the screen and then click on the voices option, which is found under voice changer and above sound effects. So by clicking on voices, we're taken to the voices page. Once you're on this page, move to the right side of the screen where you can see add a new voice. Click on that and a mini page will be displayed on your screen. So once the mini page is displayed, you can see options like voice design, instant voice clone, professional voice clone, voice library. So just go ahead and click on instant voice clone. Now I cannot click on this because I am still on the free version of Elevenlabs. But for you, since you're on the upgraded version, click on instant voice clone and then be taken to the next page where you'll be asked to either record yourself using a variety of sentences to capture different speech patterns, and then you'll be asked to upload one of these audios and your voice will be cloned. All right, that is for instant voice cloning. But for professional voice cloning, you would have to upload a video of at least 30 minutes. All right, 30 minutes of clean audio, and then once you've done that, your voice will be cloned professionally. And then once it has been cloned, you can go ahead and download it and you have it amongst your voices here. So that is it. This is how you can clone your voice on Elevenlabs. Thank you for watching and have a good day.